Hi, I'm Miss Pop, and today I'm going to show you how to get an ombre sunset manicure with palm trees. First things first, apply 1 coat of base coat. To help the colors of our sunset pop, we want to start out by applying 2 coats of a white nail polish. If you need to apply a 3rd coat to make the white opaque, go for it. When your white polish is dry, it's time to load up your makeup sponge with color. You want to create 1 stroke of each shade you've chosen and allow them to overlap. That's what's going to give it that ombre effect. The best technique for creating the ombre is to roll the sponge across your nail. I found it usually takes me 2 or 3 coats to get that ombre vibrant. Ombre is fabulous, but it's also messy. So you're gonna wanna clean up that excess polish off your skin using an old makeup brush or paintbrush dipped in remover. To help the ombre blend even more, I like to apply my top coat right away. To get the palm trees, you're gonna need a special nail art tool. I like using a thin striper brush, but you can use a detail brush or even a toothpick will do. To create the palm tree, I like to start out by painting the trunk and then adding a few lines for branches. Normally I add 3 to 5 branches depending on the size of my nail. Once I have the rough shape of my palm tree drawn, I'll go back in and I'll add those thin leaves, and then I'll add a few extra lines to make the trunk thicker. Look at that stunning summer sunset across your nails that you painted. Congratulations! Thank you so much for watching. I'm Miss Pop, and I'll see you next time.